Hey, Harvey the Silver Fox here with a question. How would you like to invest $2 with the potential of earning $47,185 in the next 20 weeks? Now, how would you like for me to get you started by investing your first $2? Then, how would you like to watch in real time your $2 investments turn into $47,185? If the answer is yes to these questions, then scroll down into the description of this video and find the link to request the $2 investment returns $47,185. Okay, you know what to do. Hey, but wait! One last thing before I go. Be a good team player. Please subscribe to my channel. Ring that little bell. Like and share this video. Now follow the arrow to get started turning $2 into $47,185. Okay, I'll be waiting for you in my live training room so you can see in real time how your $2 investment could return $47,185.